everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful language in a fun and simple way. Friends, today I am going to recite another story. The story name is The Little Seed That Never Gave Up. So, without any further delay, let's start the story. In a small village, there was a farmer who had a big garden. One day, he planted many seeds in the soil. Some seeds were big, some were small, and some were very tiny. Among them was a very small seed. The small seed looked around and saw the other seeds. One big seed said proudly, "Look at me, look at me. I am stronger and big. I will grow into a huge tree." Another seed said, "I will grow very fast and become the tallest plant in this garden." The tiny seed felt a little sad. It thought, "I am so small. I am so small. Maybe I will never grow big. Maybe I am not important." Days passed. The sun shone brightly and the rain watered the soil. Slowly, the seeds started growing. Some seeds grew quickly, but they also combined into big trees. Some seeds grew quickly, but they are also combined. "It is too hot," one seed said. "It is too wet," another seed said. Because they kept complaining, they stopped trying to grow. But the little seed kept trying every day. Even when the soil was hard, it pushed a little. Even when the rain was heavy, it stayed. Even when it felt tired, it did not give up. After many days, a small green plant came out of the soil. It was the little seed. The farmer saw it and smiled. "The little plant is very strong," he said. "It never gave up." Months passed. The small plant kept growing and growing. Soon it became a beautiful tree with green leaves and sweet fruits. Birds came it to sit on its branches. Children play under its shade. Everyone loved the tree. One day the farmer said to his children, "Do you see this big tree? Long ago it was the smallest seed, but it kept trying and never gave up." The children looked at the tree with surprise. The farmer smiled and said, "Remember this. You don't need to be the biggest or the strongest to succeed. You only need to keep trying and never give up. Remember this, you don't need to be the biggest or the strongest to succeed. You only need to keep trying and never give up." And the little seed became the strongest tree in the whole garden. So, friends, what is the lesson? And what did you learn from this story? Let me tell you guys. The moral of this story is never give up. Small efforts every day can grow into something great. The moral of this story is never give up. Small efforts every day can grow into something great. So, friend, this was the story. I hope this story was very interesting for you and you liked this story. Friends, if you are new here and watching my video for the very first time, so please subscribe to my channel and please motivate me to create such more stories for you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.